Friends, I am Archana Varun. My channel is Archana Studies, and my channel and my teaching is like, share, subscribe. The panther has made many such pictures in which we draw only one half of the things. Draw the other half of this picture and find out what these things are. Try doing it with a mirror. Okay, this painters and look like this picture is a butterfly in out of mirror. This and this is in mirror and joined it these points and in mirror this droid and this is the droid and that is and joined. This is full of look like a butterfly. This is the stars and half and this the half is look like and joined it this out of mirror and in mirror in front of mirror and joint it. Yeah, this is joint it this. Okay, and just like a butterfly and this Deepak half mirror. This is the in out of mirror and this in mirror. This and this and this is the full of Deepak and joint it and look like a full picture of Deepak and this is the cat and cat half in out of mirror and in mirror and joint it and this is the full picture of mirror, full picture of cat. This is the fish and jointed. This is the drawing in a mirror side. This. Okay now and jointed. Okay now and full picture of fish. And can you repeat the panther's tree? Can we repeat the panther's tree while drawing picture of the full? अब आपको you look like in a picture. Just this is the stick and a half picture you look and take it and mirror is joint it and draw it and look like and full pictures. If you ask the painters to draw things which cannot be divided into similar however then he cannot play the stick. Draw 3 more such things which do not have similar mirror and look like. I think this is the bowl. This bowl, ball. Okay, and joint it. Joint it. This full of ball. BALL ball and cup half this half and this half and okay and joint it. This is a full draw is the picture cup and ball. Mirror always look at the pictures given below. Does the dotted line divide each picture into two similar pictures? Have this is the triangle and half portion in out and in picture in mirror and joint it is a complete triangle. Half is the mirror. Okay, mirror now. This is the halves. This is the joint half 50%. No, this is the no mirror size and 50-50. This no is wrong. This 50% as a yes. Mirror halves yes. This no. This yes. This yes and this no. This no. this no, this no, this yes, this yes, this yes, this yes, yes and yes and yes and no and no. This is the half divided by yes, yes and this no, this yes. Okay, give some more example things. See, is and you can try something just like this and this and this. Okay, this is the triangle and this is the circle. You like it, halves mirror? Yes. And this, I think so, flowers. It make flowers. These flowers, and this. Okay, this is the mirror halves. Okay, now using the dotted line, can you divide the following picture into two similar halves? And this point is jointed and pictures two similar means equal part is divided. This comb is this point is two parts is equally divided. Yes, and this points yes, this is the equal part is divided here. This is the add is equal part. Yes, and this is the scissor equal part. Yes, and this is the circle and 50%. Yes, this time this kettle no, this is a pencil is equal part and yes, this cup no, this is the equal yes, and this is the crown, and this frog is similar two part divided yes, and this bell yes equal part divided, but this is not equal part divided. This jet is the equal part divided yes, and this yes, and this pana is equal part divided yes, and two is not, and specs equal part divided yes, and this bag yes, and this iron no, and this is no, this no, this numbers is not same but equal part is divided. I think this no. And can you guys these letters from their halves? Can you guys these letters from means in this way this letters equal part divided, and you can see this and this I think this no, this equal part divided this to yes, and this no, this. Can you guys this letters form their halves? This like this is the B and equal part divided say okay. This is the equal part divided. Can you see? Yeah, this is the C. This is the H and equal part divided. Yeah, this is the H and equal part. And this is the J. No, yeah, this is formation is the U. And can this U and formation equal here? This is the B and U and B. Okay. Okay. This is the K is not equal part divided. Using such letters, we can also make words which has similar halves guys by looking at their halves. So is this similar halves? This is the I think this is the H. Okay, this H and halva similar. This H, this is the W and halves. Okay. This is the C and O. No O. This is the A and always similar part. Okay, now this is the X. This is the always part divided, I think so. And this is always part divided and the sigma. This. Okay, now and this UV and this is the D and D, this is the E. Okay, okay. Making a mask. Now I can teach you how to make the mask of a cat. Take a piece of paper, fold it along the middle and second on one side draw the figure and cut it out using a pair of scissors. Cut it out using a pair of scissors. Just like this is a fold it and this is the cat and this eyes and the figure and this is the mouth and this is the hair and cut it out using a pair of this is a cut it this cut and okay cut it. Open the fold, make eyes and noses opens I think so this mouth and draw this and this and this and this and this. Color it means this eyes is scissor cut out only mouth is cut out and colored it. This scissor is out and this is out and this mouth is scissor and colored out and make your mask and this is the rubber band. Okay, now and you can make more such masks by taking help from the following picture. Okay guys, you let draw is the elephant mask and cat mouth and girls pictures and many pictures you can draw it and you make a mask formation. Okay nice, and this chapter is complete. Every student you like it and share it, like it and more subscribes. Okay, now bye.